The next question that we've received is from a lot of non-profits doing work in the life skills and education space. That when you run programs like these in life skills or social emotional learning, how do you measure the impact of your work? Uh, any thoughts on what you may have tried, or any thought on the question if you also have it on your mind?
I think we are all stuck with measurement, It's in the happiness of the child. You just see that face. That should be result enough. But I guess we are all stuck in numbers and some kind of statistics. So yeah, I for me it is inconsequential.
So I think I'll just share. I think that is what I wanted to share, that we have just caught up into just measuring the impact which we are doing. So one example, like a very concrete example which I share, there is this class I used to take when they were in fourth grade. The transition to sixth grade, and everything became online right now. Okay, so fourth we did a class for fourth grade, then we did a class for fifth grade, and sixth grade they are all totally online. And we are stuck into like, how do we measure everything? How do we know that they are learning? How do we know that they are building up skills? And now this example comes up that everyone is on WhatsApp right now. We have got a WhatsApp group, online WhatsApp group of students, and there is a fixed timing which we decided with the students, that from 4:30 to 5:30 we will have class every Wednesday, even if students come online, which is like on Zoom, or people who are there on the WhatsApp group. And now students being very intentional out here and respecting each other's boundaries, which are like personal boundaries, they only message during that window, which is like 4:30 to 5:30. And after that, even if they wanted to message, they used to take permission from me or any other person. So that is one type of like skill which is coming up, that they are responsibly thinking about it. They're making the decision and also respecting the relationships which they have. So I think these are some of the sparkling moments which we can measure on the go, and just think how we are trying to impact some of these skills. But yeah, we have numbers to deal with. I'll just share what we do with numbers also. We do like a pre and post assessment with the students, where we observe some of those skills. So say for example, how often the student is able to raise hand and talk, how often is the student able to talk into groups, is the student comfortable working in small groups, is the student able to respond to each other with sensitivity. So these are some of the indicators which we have tried. Does not get to choose the students. It's like a random sampling which happened, and it is a 4-week intervention which happened. So on the 4-week intervention, once the class starts, we do the assessment, pre-assessment, and before the class ends, which is like the term ends, the year end basically is happening. In that 4 weeks window, we do the post assessment, and then all the math behind that happens. But our facilitator's job is to like give that data to the people who are measuring the impact. Yeah, so basically it is observation based which is happening. We are in the process of creating a tool which can actually give us numbers, but fingers crossed, it is happening, it is in process. By 2023, I think we'll have a perfect tool which we can share with everyone. But yeah, this is what something which we have tried doing in our ecosystem for SEL and impact.